How to use the Dereverb tool in WavePad. Open your audio, then go to the Effects tab. Click the basic drop-down and select Reduce Reverb. Adjust the Dereverb Level slider or choose a preset from the drop-down. Click the play button to preview the changes, then click Apply once you're satisfied. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to use the Dereverb tool in WavePad. To reduce reverb in your audio, open your file in WavePad and go to the Effects tab. Click the basic drop-down and select Reduce Reverb to open the Settings dialog. Adjust the Dereverb Level slider to control how much reverb is removed, or choose a preset from the Presets drop-down. The higher the Dereverb level, the more reverb is removed. To save your own preset, set your preferred level, click Save Preset, enter a name, and click Save. To delete a custom preset, select it from the drop-down, then choose Delete Preset. Use the preview controls to test the effect. Click the play button to hear the changes. While playing, hold down the bypass button to temporarily disable the effect and compare how it sounds without it. Click the button on the right side to reload the preview waveform. Once you're satisfied, click Apply. Save your audio file or continue editing using other tools. For more WavePad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.